Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to our next tutorial on Core Java, that is encapsulation. So we'll discuss in detail about that encapsulation here now. So the encapsulation is nothing but already we discussed that it's a process of binding the variables and methods into a single entity. And encapsulation can achieved with help of class. This can be help of class only, it can be done this using this we can improve the maintenance of application, means that how it happens now we will see here. And using this encapsulation we can abstraction the data, that is implement abstraction means hide which we need to hide and which we need to show, that we can decide here. And using this encapsulation we can isolate or separate the members from the class, one class to other class, so that we can reduce the debugging time. So those we can see here. But using class, how we are encapsulation, that I'll explain here now. See, using a class normally we can achieve encapsulation. That class we can create one user defined data type where we can store any number of values and any type of values according to the application requirement. So in that way we can handle this encapsulation using this. And a Java program can contain any number of classes, and a class can contain any number of variables methods which together called as a class. So that we are defining here this. So for that, this is a syntax what I written here. This is a syntax. Just I created one class called rush, and that I am defining one data type, two data type, three data type, like three different data types here I am creating. So for that I am creating one method, that is a parameter one. Like you can create a number of methods like this, method 1, method 2, method 3, like this. So in that methods we can isolate the data and we can add this. So that how that programmatically happens, we can check here now. See what I'm doing here now. Just I created already one class, so that class is already here. So just one program, separate program I created, that is encap.java. So on that, this is the normal general main method, but outside of main method what I am doing here now, I am creating one class. See, this is a general class. Here I am defining one main thing. This is, so like I am creating here one class, that class name called as a encap. So in this, or you can define this as a student. Just I am defining the student class. So this student class I am defining here. So in this student class, sorry, here we define class name as encap, so we need to create that encap only. Okay, we need to create encap. Here I added the roll number, integer value, double marks to string as the name. Then I created one method, that is display. I want to display these all values, that is system.out.println, roll number and marks and name. I want to display these. Then in our main class here I am writing that system.out.println, that is student information. I want to print the student's information. Then here again I am calling this class here encaps. Just I am defining class and s1.display. This method I am displaying here. See, now I am running this application. See, student information, roll number 0, marks 0.0, name it is null. Why this is? Just we are defining here, but we are not assigning any values. As already earlier we discussed, if it is an integer it should be 0, if it is a double 0.0, and string, it should be always null. That already we defined somewhere. So about that we'll discuss in detail, no problem. But right now this is a program for example of the encapsulation. We'll discuss few more examples and in detail of this. Thank you for watching this. Please subscribe to get more updates. Thank you.